Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, many thanks and congratulations for coming to Sonia Craft Gallery. Today I am here with another new video. I hope you will like the video very much. Any two color paper should be taken. Now the paper should be faired like this. At this point, the paper should be cut into the shape of a flower. The flower should be cut like this. Four size of paper should be taken for one flower, 7, 8, 9 and 10 cm size. This time I attach the flower with glue. Now cut 20 by 2 cm size paper. This time I attach the flower with glue. This time I attach the flower with glue. So see how beautiful a flower is made. Many thanks Sonia Craft Gallery for watching the video till the end. Like, share and comment to get new video and subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon.